This is fully automatic ring snap or gripper attaching machine, which is most of customer expecting to use such machine because of safety purpose. I mean, you can put full box of button into the machine holder, and for that reason there is very less chance to have loose button on the floor. For that reason there is no risk to contaminate loose button with garments, since there is 5 nail at each button, which is harmful for children. Please don't think that there will be no sharp edge or exposed leg, since we are using fully automatic snap button machine. I want to show you why we are using 100% visual inspection, and also want to show you the leg out and leg in, which is called sharp edge. Come here. Bring your camera closer to see the sharp edge properly. The leg out is very sharp. Using fully automatic button machine, but does not mean that there will be no failure on the safety. For that reason, we need to assign quality checker for 100% visual inspection. And this is the setup we have here to ensure 100% packed goods is safe and secure for children use. Now I want to show you how to detect the insecure snap button. Come here, I want to show you how it's bent. Here the circle is perfect, no confusion at all, and this one side bent properly and the other side not. You will not feel anything if you do snap and unsnap, but still there is problem. And what type of problem is? This can be insecure, this can be open anytime, something like this. It's gone. Means, if I explain you properly, from here to here was not bended and bent only 20%. That is the reason why the button become insecure. And same things I have here. These garments also have same problem. It simply come off because the button could not fold at this place and this place. There is fold only little bit. This is the reason why we using 100% inspection. So this is also same. Doesn't bend at all. And the other garments also have similar problem. This one is perfectly bended. Everything is absolutely alright. You cannot remove it even with a hammer, for sure. But this button, you can see the bending only at this place to this place, and all around about 80% not bent. So what I have to do, I have to pull the button not from this side, I have to pull button from this side where did not fold at all. So not from this side, should be from this side, like this. You can see the button come off. So that's it for today, and next time I am planning to show you how to calibrate metal detector machine, details of 9-point system and quarantine of past garments. Thank you.